Welcome to Jason Markk Sneaker Care 101. I am Joe, your sneaker care technician, and I'll be showing you how to clean the Yeezy 500. So here's what we'll need to clean the Yeezy 500. Jason Markk ready-to-use foam, a standard brush, a premium brush, a microfiber towel, and the Jason Markk suede kit. And here we have the Yeezy 500, aka the Desert Rat. This is the latest collaboration between Kanye West and Adidas. Also is composed of different materials such as premium suede, premium mesh, premium leather, and even an uncured stripe of leather on the side. So you're going to want to dry brush the uppers of the shoe. And to do that, you're going to want to use a Jason Markk premium brush. It has soft bristles just so it's going to be gentle on the uppers and not be too abrasive. As you can see already with dry brushing it, a lot of the dirt has already came off. So now that we're done dry brushing the uppers, we're going to clean up the midsoles. Now you want to use a standard brush, which has much stiffer bristles, which is perfect for a rubber midsole. So you'll take your ready-to-use foam and apply it to the midsole. So now that we clean the midsoles, we're going to want to clean the uppers. And to do that first, we'll have to remove the laces. Since these uppers are delicate, you're going to want to use the premium brush. So now you want to take your ready-to-use foam and apply it directly on the uppers of the shoe. Then use your premium brush to clean. Then you want to take your microfiber towel and dab and twist on the suede, just so you can collect all the wetness inside. So now that we've cleaned the midsoles and uppers of the shoe, we're going to want to clean our laces. Take your laces, place them in your hand, and apply a liberal amount of foam. Now you'll just want to rub your hands back and forth as if you're washing your hands. Then, take your microfiber towel and run through it to make sure you get any excess dirt and all solution that's left inside. And now you have clean laces. Now that we've let the shoe dry for a few hours, as you can see, the shoe is completely clean. However, in some areas, the suede may be matted down. So to fix that, we're going to use the Jason Markk eraser and the Jason Markk premium suede brush. We're going to rub it in certain areas gently just to lift back the nap. Now, after erasing the whole area where it was all matted down, take your premium suede brush and just brush forward. And now if you feel it, it's definitely got that soft feel again. And there you have it, good as new. Thank you for watching Jason Markk Sneaker Care 101. If this video was helpful, click like and subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know what shoes you want to see us clean next.